everyone, respected teachers, students, and dear parents. I hope you all are eagerly waiting for the inaugural ceremony. Am I right? Let's start the program. The inaugural function of the English Club of our school, KPC HSS Pattanur. To compare the function, I invite Tejal KK of 8th E. Welcome, Tejal.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends, I welcome all of you to the upbeat moment, the inaugural function of our English club. As we all know, the situation demands social distancing and closure. We have to opt online means for all activities. So, we are also switching to the online inaugural function of our English club. I welcome Mohanan sir, Thomas Devasi sir, A.C. Manoj sir, K.C. Girish Kumar sir, K.C. Manoj sir, C.K. Chandramadi ma'am, P.V. Ashok Kumar sir, A.C. Lada ma'am, Kirtan K.K., Hariprasad J.N. and all the teachers, parents and friends to this function. I would like to thank you all for taking the time out of your schedule and marking these hours with your glorious presence. Respecting our rich tradition, we can start this function with a prayer song. For the same, may I invite Divyasri and Yami from 9th E.
Dear God, please keep me happy today. Help me to be bright, cheerful and gay. Help me to do the things you want me to be to others kind and good. My parents, teachers and friends do bless and keep us all in happiness. And keep us all in happiness. And keep us all in happiness.
Dear God, please keep me happy today. Help me to be bright, cheerful and gay. Help me to do the things you want me to be to others kind and good. My parents, teachers and friends do bless and keep us all in happiness. And keep us all in happiness. And keep us all in happiness.
Thank you, Divyasri and Yami. Now I invite Mohanan sir, English resource person, Kuthuparamba High Secondary School, to inaugurate the function.
Respected Principal, distinguished Chief Guest, Thomas Devasya, my dear friend Ms. Rashogan, teachers, other distinguished guests, my beloved children, good evening to all. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on this auspicious occasion because the teachers of Pattanur High Secondary School have taken a very laudable initiative to conduct a program like this, and that too during the COVID-19 pandemic, which is raging not merely in India but everywhere in the world. It shows how dedicated the teachers of Pattanur High Secondary School are. First of all, let me take this opportunity to appreciate the commendable initiative they are taking. Dear children, I think I need not elaborate on the importance of learning English because you all know why you learn English. It is a global necessity now, not merely because it is an international language, but because it is a language of empowerment. Learning English empowers. It empowers the youth, and thereby it empowers the nation. Dear children, to have another language is to possess a second soul. So, you have already learnt your mother tongue, and English in India is used as a second language. And definitely, it will give you a new soul. Means, learning English will transform you totally. You will become a new person, one with more confidence, one with better acceptability, one with better equipments to face the challenges of the world. So, children, learn English not because it is a reference language, not because it is a library language, but because it empowers you. If you have only one wing, can you fly high? No, you need the second wing. You have already learnt your mother tongue, and that is one of the wings. If you learn English, it will act as a second wing which will help you soar up to the skies of victory and glory. It will help you achieve your dreams and ambitions and aspirations. So, learning English is like having a second wing. It is like muscles, the frail, delicate muscles sometimes. If you do not take regular exercise, your muscles will weaken, shrink. Similarly, if you do not practice English continuously, if you do not use English continuously, you may not be able to improve your English. So children, always grab whatever opportunity that you get to use English. That is one of the ways in which you can improve your English. The question is, how can we? Is learning English easy? Definitely it is easy, provided you love it. Love English passionately, then definitely you will be able to learn English. Involve, that is the keyword. You should involve in learning English. You must have heard of Benjamin Franklin. He once said, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn." So for learning English, involvement is required. Enjoy learning English. Love it. Definitely you will be able to learn English. You will become fluent users of English. Another tip that can help you improve your English is to read. Read everything and anything that comes in your way. Read voraciously. It will not only improve your language, but also it will help you become a new person with better ideas, better thoughts, with a positive outlook. So, read. And one more thing, try to develop your vocabulary. Don't think that you need a lot of vocabulary to communicate. You can express great ideas with limited vocabulary. So try to improve your vocabulary also. Use the right word in the right context. And so for that, you need better reading. Always try new things. Reflect on them and keep on writing. That also will help you improve your language. It may sometimes take longer time to learn English, to master English, but never falter. If you have a dream, a clear vision, definitely one day you will succeed. So children, keep on going. Then one day you will feel that English is very easy for you. There are so many things the English Club can do in this regard. It does not require the traditional classroom setting. You should go beyond the classrooms now. We can conduct a lot of activities online. Think of conducting online quizzes in English, various competitions, poster making competitions. Then you can think about conducting seminars, debates, etc. The English Club can conduct elocution competitions, introduce various language games. You can also think of starting a kind of magazine, e-magazine, which can make the children more creative. I'm sure that you can do all these activities online and help children learn English, master English in a non-traditional way, in a very creative way. Let them be good citizens. Let them be good human beings with lofty ideas. Let this be a very good beginning. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And this single step that the teachers of Patanur Higher Secondary School have taken is really appreciable. Well begun is half done. Remember, you have still a lot to do. With these words, let me formally announce that the English Club is inaugurated. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of you, especially Mrs. Reena, who has taken great interest and initiative in this venture. I am sure the future of the children is very safe in your hands. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Next, I invite our chief guest, Thomas Devasi sir, the renowned film director, to deliver the keynote address.
Respected Principal Mr. A.C. Manoj, my dear friend Mr. Mohanan, who has inaugurated this function, the teachers and my dear students. At the outset, let me express my gratitude to the teachers of Patanur HSS for having invited me for this function. This is a period of extreme toughness which we have never faced. It is a time of utmost care when we have to move ahead with our eyes and ears open and with an insight to live in a novel world hitherto unknown to us. Remember, my dear friends, The present generation has never experienced the face of the trials of war or struggles or independence. So we have had faced such challenges or the experiences of serious instances of calamities. This make it difficult for our generation to overcome and survive miseries of flood, poverty, pandemics, etc. It is quite meaningless to be stuck with fear and fright. What we need is care and love, which alone can make us courageous enough to move forward. At such a period of survival, we should take our creativity, culture, language, etc. to the source of energy that invigorate ourselves. What I would like to suggest to you is that those who can sing must sing louder. Those who can dance must find new rhythms and steps. Those who can read must deepen their visions, widen their horizons. Those who can write must sharpen their brains. Let me conclude my speech with the message that life becomes meaningful and hopeful when tinged with the hues of love, care, and humanity. Thank you, my dear friends.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now, I invite our principal, A.C. Manoj, sir, to felicitate the function.
Beloved children, dear colleagues, a warm greetings to all of you. Yes, we are under the shadow of the pandemic COVID-19. All the curricular and co-curricular activities are in a standstill. Yet, with the help of the internet and digital medias, we are striving forward to fulfill our dreams. Dear children, we are living in a challenging world. The democratic, social and cultural values of our great nation is challenged every day. The wisdom, the vision and the light provided by our great leaders are questioned by narrow thoughts. I think it is a coincidence that the English club of our school opted today for its first bell. Today is Sadbhavana Divas. On August 20 of every year, he is celebrated to commemorate the memories of the former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi, in his birthday, who lifted us up to a technological and digital India. I hope the English club of our school has a great role among the students. Today, we are living in a global village. English is the essential language to conquer the opportunities everywhere in the world. The English club must be able to develop the listening, speaking, reading and the writing skills of the children and lift them to the wonderful world of English literature. On this great day, I wish you all the best for a wonderful journey ahead. Let me conclude. Thanks to all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next, I invite our headmaster, K.C. Girish Kumar, sir, to felicitate.
Dear students and teachers, I feel happy to address you in the present moment of our English club inauguration. You know, languages are tools for communication. English is considered as an international language. Why English language is so important in the present world? It is one of the most widely spoken language of internet, media, language of business world, medium of instruction in universities and so on. As a foreign language, acquiring language skills in English is not so simple. Number of people can read and write English well, but a few are confident in speaking. Here lies the importance of English club. It creates an atmosphere of informal interactions. You should have enough chances to participate in debate, skit, writing competitions, language games, etc., through which your ability to handle the language will increase. I hope the club activities will help you to become efficient in English language. And I congratulate all the English teachers and club members who made this program a great success even in the midst of COVID crisis. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I invite K.C. Manoj, sir, our PTA President.
It gives me immense pleasure to greet the English Club of KPCHS Patanu. I hope this club will bring out of the best of every child, especially the listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. Fluency and accuracy of the usage of English language can be developed through this platform. It will be easy for the learners get connected globally through English language. The aesthetic sense of a child can be inculcated through this club. I believe this club will bring some revolutionary changes of the students' community of this institution. I wish all the best of this club. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite C.K. Chandramadi ma'am, our Mother PTA President.
Respected Inaugurator Mohan sir, Chief Guest Thomas sir, our Principal A.C. Manoj sir, Headmaster Girish sir, PTA President K.C. Manoj, other teacher and my dear students and parents. This is the inauguration function of English Club of our school in the academic year 2020 and 21. We are lucky to have famous film director Thomas Devasi sir as chief guest and Mohan sir, English teacher of Kuthuvarambu Government High Secondary School as inaugurator. So, I think both of them were explained about the program. We know in our school there are many type of club that include science club, English club, Vidyarangam, etc. That helps students to develop their undiscovered talents in them. Then our English club is really helpful to support English language in students, and it is very backup to the student to overcome the strange atmosphere of English language. The typical example for this is Master Kirtan, who was the Young Scientist Award winner. He participated in Youth Festival and won first prize in the state level for English speech, etc. The English club of our school helped him to achieve it. I hope, like this, all the members of this club should come forward and achieve their goals. Best wishes to their program and to English club for its better future. Once more, I am wishing good luck for Mother PTA of our school. Sorry if something wrong here. I would like to conclude my words. Thank you to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite P.V. Ashok Kumar sir, our Staff Secretary.
Distinguished Chief Guest Mr. Thomas Devasi, my friend Mohanan, who has inaugurated the function. Other respected nears and dears, my dear students, good evening. I am here with extreme pleasure to say a few words on the occasion of the inauguration of the English Club of our school. We all know that English is a global language and it is also a literary language. Its importance is increasing day by day. It is a language which is needed for almost all job profiles. So learning English will definitely increase our acceptability in many fields. We know that it is not difficult to learn English if you are really interested in the language. It is a skill which can be acquired by practice The English Club has a lot of things to do in this context. The English Club in our school has always conducted various activities with a view to helping the learners master the language. I am sure that this year also we can conduct a number of activities in spite of this unfavorable situation created by COVID-19 pandemic. It requires the wholehearted and sincere initiatives from the part of the English teachers who will be supported by the other teaching faculty. Let us all contribute whatever we can and help the English Club of our school achieve the goals set by the members of the club. I take this opportunity to congratulate the teachers of the English department who have taken serious measures to conduct the inaugural function as a first step to the further activities they have in store. I wish them all the best. May you be able to fulfill your dreams. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I invite A.C. Lada ma'am, SRG convener of our school.
My dear students and colleagues, I am very happy in this auspicious occasion. The inaugural function of our English Club is taking place today. English is an international language, so learning English is very essential in our day-to-day life, mainly for communication. It's not a difficult task. You can improve your language by reading books, hearing news, and also by the active participation in such clubs. Take part in all club activities. You must spend time for this. English learning is very important for your bright future. Wishing all success to this club. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite Kirtan KK, former student and Young Scientist Award winner.
Hi everyone, my name is Kirtan. I have been studying in KPCHSS till my 10th grade. During these years in KPC, I have been an active member of English Club. I was able to participate in various programs held by English Club. These activities helped a lot in increasing my ability in English. The club conducted skits and various kinds of literary activities. They all played an integral role in increasing communicative skills, vocabulary, etc. in me and my friends. So, on this inaugural function of the English Club, I wish everyone all the best for English Club activities. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, Kirtan. Our program ends up with the gratitude speech by Hariprasad Jain. I invite Hariprasad for the same.
I, Hariprasad, on behalf of KPCHSS Pattanur, extend a really hearty vote of thanks to Sri Mohanan sir, who inaugurated our English Club, our chief guest Sri Thomas Devasya, Principal A.C. Manoj sir, Headmaster K.C. Girish Kumar sir, PTA President Sri K.C. Manoj, Mother PTA Srimadi C.K. Chandramadi, Sri P.V. Ashok Kumar sir, Srimadi A.C. Leather teacher, and the young scientist Kirtan K.K., those who give us felicitation. I would like to say thanks to all the English teachers who tirelessly worked for making this program a reality, and also thank to all my dear friends who actively participated in this program. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. My gratitude to all the speakers for gracing the occasion and sharing their opinions today. Thank you all.
Thank you, Hariprasad. Now it's time to start cultural activities of club members. I request all to be online and encourage them.